So at this time, I'm back on my PowerPoint. Yan po. I wanted to share lang po sa inyo, dear teachers, some snapshots po of how we can maximize pa po more yung reports po natin. We're gonna give you a copy of this one also. No? So I'm sure yung mga concepts po na nakita nyo doon, yung mga words na nakita nyo po doon, right now, some of them might not make sense as of yet because this is the first time na nakita natin si Amira. Yan po, no? But we'd like to share with you this one. So first off is, this would be yung mga metrics na nakikita po natin doon. So ano po yung meaning ng words correct per minute? No? So this is a student's ability to read aloud with natural ease. So ibig sabihin, yung number ng words na nababasa niya within the minute, no? Parang pag natag-typing po tayo, di ba meron din po tayong words per minute na typing. This one naman po words correctly pronounced per minute. And that would tell you yung kanilang oral reading fluency naman po. Okay. So for reading mastery, ito naman po yung skill, a mirror reading po natin. Yan. And this is ability of our students to read accurately compared to average age of acquisition of story words. And then we have naman po for sight recognition, ito po yung mga sight words. We have naman po yung estimated sight recognition inventory. Yan po. And then this is the estimated percentage of sight words students has mastered. And then another metric naman po would be the phonological awareness. And then the scale of this one, if you look at the reports, it's going to be the phoneme segmentation fluency. And this is a student's ability to parse phonemes into words. No? So, put together yung mga individual na letters na yun and form them into words. And lastly naman po yung vocabulary size ng mga students natin. That's another metric. The scale would be the estimated words in vocabulary, and this is an estimate of how many words are in a student's expressive vocabulary. Okay? So yun po yung mga um, metrics natin, words that you'd usually encounter in Amira, and this would be what it means. I'm sure yung mga reading teachers po natin gets na gets yun na po ito. But for other teachers po, ayan, na hindi po reading yung kanyang master or core, this would be very helpful for us. And then flashing on the screen lang po yung arm po natin. In Amira, this is the metric na pinaka gagamitin po natin for common reference. And Amira Reading Mastery Score or ARM is composite collection po ng lahat ng scores derived from the curriculum. And then part po siya ng benchmark assessment and dyslexia screener po natin. And over here naman po would be the snapshot of reports at a glance. So all of the 10 reports that we've seen kanina dun sa dashboard natin, ito po yung parang guide or table po natin. You see here the name of the report. What would it be for? Ano po yung pinaka-purpose po niya? And then, when do we use it? When do we access this one? So, say for example, yung tracking report po natin, before testing, during testing, and after testing because we're able to hear yung last po na binasa ng student po natin. And then, yung progress report naman po ongoing because it's a progress report. Ayan po, no? And other remarks po for that report. So, dear teachers, this one is gonna be a guide for you na how best to use po yung reports po natin. But again, sabi po natin kanina, for teachers, pinaka task po natin in Amira is viewing and monitoring the reports because all of those recording, scoring, observing po ng mga task doon sa reading skills ng mga students po natin are done by Amira already. That is, again, makulit po kami. As long as your students are reading at least 1 to 2 stories a day with Amira, then you get that, ano po, you get that benefit. Your students get that benefit. Okay, so they can do it at home, they can do it at school. You'd be surprised na in some of our reading platforms, a lot of students are doing it over the weekend. So if they want to read 5 stories sa isang araw, mas maganda po yun. If we can encourage that one, then mas okay po siya. Okay. We promise to help you. Wala po kayong gagawin from scratch. Amira is not gonna be an additional task for you. So we have created a teacher's instructional kit. So doon po sa instructional kit po natin, meron po kayong implementation guide. The implementation guide would be tips po on how to use Amira in the classroom, in the school. These are not required po na mga tips or mga kailangan gawin. So if you want to make use po ng mga tips po na yan, yung guides, please do so. Ang pinaka-requirement lang po natin was the one that we showed earlier, assisting yung students natin doon sa first benchmark assessment and then yung daily reading time. Meron din po doon sa kit natin, lesson plan and lesson decks. So, if you want to teach Amira in your classroom, in your lesson, you put it in your lesson po, you can do so. May readily available na pong lesson plan na nandun sa kit. The link is also on the chat box. Shinare po sa atin ni Edu. So again, optional po itong lesson plan and decks po natin. And then we have po letter for parents. So that's editable na letter for parents po. If you want to officially inform yung 120 students and their parents about the use of Amira, you can make use of the letter po. And I think that's a good way to be um, transparent po sa kanila. At least yung parent po natin, if they know that their students are using Amira, then they're gonna push pa siguro yung mga anak nila to read more in Amira. And then you have also here for your students, how do they get ready for Amira? So you have guide there. Yung video po na pinakita natin for the students, it's there already. So you can ano po, you can share those materials po para sa mga students po natin. And lastly, we have the microsite. So the microsite, this is a website po specifically dedicated and created para sa inyo. So you have it here. Just click on the microsite po. You can copy it or take a screenshot of this one. The link is also going to be provided on the chat. That's the microsite. And then we have a specific po na tab for Amira over here. So lahat ng kailangan nyo po, training and learning for the teachers, training and learning po para sa students po natin, nandyan. If you want to do a review of what we did right now. Bakit activities would be activity cards na pwede nyo pong automatically lang i-print or i-deploy or i-send sa mga students po natin to make use of Amira. Encourage them how to do so. Nandun din po yun. And news and updates if there are any. Okay, so all are created na po para sa inyo. So easy breezy lang po talaga si Amira. It's on the making collect sa students po natin to read at least 5 to 10 minutes a day. Okay. Right. And I'm sure new technology such as Amira po can be intimidating. I think lahat po tayo pinagdadaanan yon if there's something new, hindi tayo familiar or hindi common for us. We're a bit, scared. Now we might do something wrong doon, and that's all natural. And we're here. We're always available via chat if you have questions or tech issues. So you can reach us through Cats. Yan po yung profile ni Cats po natin or through the GC po na isi-set up ni Sir Ariel. So we're here anytime to help you master si Amira or make the most out of Amira po.